Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday, January 18th, 2025, and today we're going to be reviewing the fund value for the LFGY YieldMax Fund. We'll review the value of the fund, its performance yesterday, the daily transactions. We'll review the holdings summary of what's going on, and then the market schedule for next week. This will likely be a quicker video, and the reason why is the transactions. So the LFGY is the YieldMax Crypto Industry and Tech Portfolio Option Income ETF, actively managed portfolio seeking income and capital appreciation. You guys already know this, just wanted to review. Something awesome that we see in today's numbers. The net assets is over $8 million. As of a couple of days ago, it was just $5 million. So it's good to see growth in the fund that I'm very excited about. The performance of the fund yesterday, as you can see, it did very well. For most of the day, it was up quite a bit. And then at the end of the day, there was some sell-off. I don't know if it was nervousness going into the weekend. Obviously what the concern was, but as you can see at the end of the day, it did come back quite a bit. But still positive for the day, up 1.71%. And then obviously for the week, you can see it still is up and to the right. Again, started at $50 a share. So it's doing very well. All the other holdings also, most of the other holdings were also positive. There's a couple that are down, but most of the positive numbers are very significant, making green. As of recording this morning, Bitcoin is down a little bit of rebound or a little bit of fluctuation from where it was yesterday. So obviously up and down in cryptocurrency is a big driver of the fund itself. Next, I would like to review the daily transactions. That's the holdings. The only transactions we had yesterday in LFGY are to make new positions for their covered call. We have the ticker symbol MELI. It added one contract, and they made $28.58 for that contract. Obviously, times 100, you're looking at $2,858. But that fund is also pretty expensive, which is why they only have the one contract. They have Cypher, 166 contracts, priced at 16 cents. And then Canaan, 452 contracts, priced at 25. So those are all positive. Those are all net income for the fund. So they are still making money. If we go back to the holdings again, as you can see on this page, all of the holdings now have a covered call and or other options added to them. So there's Canaan, there's Cypher. Canaan chose a 2/21 expiration date for their fund. Cypher has theirs for 1/31 January, so that one's just 2 weeks out. And then the other one is down here, is the Meli Fund, Mercado Libre, and their expiration date is for February 14th. So they're looking about a month out on that. So as you can see, they're making some different dates as far as expiration dates for the fund. But every single position is now selling a call to make some money to provide income for the fund. And next week is the first distribution. So we'll see how they do with their trades next week and see what kind of distribution they're going to make. We went over the daily transactions. These are all the holding summary again. We've gone over these in detail before. The market schedule for next week is a short week. Monday is off for MLK Day. So Monday, the market will be closed. We only have performance next week, Tuesday through Friday. So we will see how things do. I'm looking forward to reviewing the transactions next week to see how the fund managers make their decisions. And the reason why is because, as you can see on this page, a lot of these covered call positions are already over the strike price or very close to it. Excuse me. So like the Allied Digital Corp right on top, the strike price is $9. The price of the fund is $8.90. So not much room there. BitDeer Technologies, the call option is $20. The fund is at $20.90. So again, above. And a lot of these funds, especially from yesterday's performance, are already above these prices. So what I would suspect the fund managers are going to do is to roll those options to a potentially higher strike price and push out the expiration date to gain that extra premium. But what are your thoughts? What do you think they should do with these positions? Should they be rolling these options? Should they let the shares get called away and look for another opportunity to buy in? Should they diversify the portfolio different with other stocks? Do you think they're missing any funds that they should add? Or what funds do you think are detracting from the portfolio? I would love to hear your thoughts. If you can, please like and subscribe to the channel. I would greatly appreciate that to help us grow. And if you can share this information with people who are interested in this fund specifically, I'd love to have them here with us to grow the channel. As always, thank you for your time today. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you next week. Until then, let's freaking go.